Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you host your website without spending any money. And these hosting that I'm going to mention are fast, reliable. First of all, let me show you my websites that I personally host to these platforms. The first website is called Health 2077. It's been around more than 4 months since this website is live, and I have not paid any money for hosting. You can see that. The other website is called agurus-qr.web.app. Same, that I did not pay any money for the hosting. It's completely free hosting. By the way, you can also sign up. It's the premium plan is free. You can go create as many QR and scan or monitor your QR codes in real time. Anyways, so number one is called Firebase. It is owned by Google, and you can pretty much do many things. You can store your data, you can host your website, or you can do some machine learning things as well on Firebase. So let's see their no cost plan, and just scroll down and see the hosting itself. You can see that you can store 10 gigabyte of data. Data transfer is 360 MB per day, and custom domain also allow it in free plan. It is also SSL enabled. You can also do multiple sites per project. If you scroll down a little bit, there is a calculator. So let's say for a free version, you can see that there are about 5,000 static pages you can host on Firebase hosting with no cost. If you increase this to like 10,000, so it will cost you $0.26 per month. Similarly for data transfer. So that's it for the Firebase hosting. Number two is called 000webhost.com. It is one of the easiest website as compared to Firebase to set up hosting. Once you sign up, just create a project. You can see that these with the red color are free tools. Like you can host a WordPress website. There's a file manager, park domains, redirects, MySQL database, PHPMyAdmin, password protection, and there are a bunch of other free tools as well. So just how to host it, just go to file manager and upload your files. Number third is called GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is also a free, so you just have to host it directly from your GitHub repository. Just edit, push, and your changes are live. So that's it for this video. If you want me to create a detailed video on all these three free platforms to host your website, just hit the like button. The target is around 500 likes. Once this video reach 500 likes, I'm going to definitely create a detailed video on each platform, so you guys can upload your website on this platform. So it will cost you nothing. Like I showed you, I have two websites. They are up and running, and yeah, the server time is pretty much fast. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for watching this video.